A person spends 25% of his income on rent, 20% of the remaining on food, and 10% of the remaining on transport. If the person is saving 13,500, what is his or her total income? Please understand this. What if I take again 100 rupees is his income, right? And this fellow is going to be spending 25%. So 25% of 100 is pretty simple for you to find out. Kitna aayega ye? It is going to be 75 rupees, isn't it? And then 20% of the remaining. So what is the remaining amount that we have? 75. 20% of the remaining, which is 75, will be spent. 20%. 20% को आप कैसे लिखते हो? 1/5 of 75. So if you do so, it is 1/5 of 75. If you simplify, it is 15 rupees. So 15 rupees फिर से खर्च कर दिया, तो कितना बच गया? 60 rupees. Now what does this problem say? Read it again. The problem says 10% of the remaining is being spent on transport. ठीक है जी. So 10% is gone. What is 10% of 60? 60 का 10% तो 6 rupees ही होगा. 6 rupees is gone. So what are we having? 54 rupees. Now have a look at it. If the income is 100, right, then the person is going to be left with rupees 54. As per the problem, what did I say? Our 54 rupee as per the problem is 13,500 rupees, isn't it? So 1 rupee, our 1 rupee is going to be 13,500 upon 54 rupees for the problem, and our 100 rupees, which is the total income that we have assumed. So 100 into 13,500 upon 54. If you simplify, what are you going to be having? This is 27 into 2, this is 27 into 5, and then this is 50. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 followed by how many zeros? It is going to be followed by 3 zeros. So what was his total income as per the problem? It should have been nothing but 25,000 rupees. Isn't it simple?